Saan nga ba may solid choice ng grilled, hot pot, and buffet-style restaurant? For me, isa ang Tongyang Unli Grill and Shabu-Shabu here sa 4th floor Uptown Mall. As soon as you step inside, malawak, malinis, cozy, vibrant atmosphere. First thing first, ang buffet nila is super sulit. Puno ng variety from fresh meat, seafood, at veggies to a wide selection of sauces, side dishes, at even desserts. Ang pinaka-favorite ko dito syempre ang sangyupsal. Walang tapon guys. Quality lahat ng selection ng meats from beef, pork, and chicken. Also seafood. For hot pot lovers, the broth options are varied and flavorful. You can customize your experience by adding different ingredients that cook right in the pot tulad ng iba't ibang noodles, balls, sausages, and madami pang iba. And one thing pa na nagustuhan ko dito, may mga ready to eat sila na for me, dito pa lang nasasatisfied na ako sa lasa. Meron na din plain and salted rice. Let's not forget the dessert options from sweet fruits, kakanin, cakes, to delectable ice cream. It's the perfect way to end satisfying meal. Halo-halo with ice cream for me. Tongyang is a must visit guys, kaya try nyo na din.